Hey, this is Joan Pratt with Remax Professionals, and we are here touring another one of our beautiful listings. This house is fresh on the market today. The address is 1524 Colt Circle in Keene Ranch. It is horse property, and it's a ranch on horse property. So come on, let's take a look. We have a formal living room over here. Also be a very nice library. You can tell that nature just surrounds this place. Really pretty coffered ceilings. And then we also have this walnut floor in here too. It opens up to the formal dining room. Got another coffered ceiling there. As we're spanning through these rooms, you will notice that there's a fire suppression system in the ceiling. This is not unlike that in Bell Mountain. These homes are, at a good distance from the fire department, as you would want them to be, really, to give you the privacy and seclusion that people are looking for. And so they have fire suppression systems. There is a red wax seal on each zone. There's probably one in here. Let's go check out this kitchen. You can kind of see a little bit better here, the red wax seal. And that is, if there were excessive amount of heat here, that sprinkler would go off, but the ones in the other areas would not necessarily. So this here is the family room, great room with beautiful slate fireplace, lots of windows, and this brand new island. The kitchen cabinets have been refaced. We have some new appliances as well. They're all GE profile, nice cooktop undermount sink with a soap dispenser. And one of my other favorite things, it has a button for the garbage disposal. How cool is that? You see we have built-in speakers here. And got some double ovens you're welcome to come take a look at. These are convection. Probably should have opened the bottom one first. That's the one that usually gets less use, right? As you come around here, we've got our new dishwasher, and it does have the stainless inside. As I mentioned, we got the undermount sink, and this whole island is new, so it's really neat and clean under there. This is also a new refrigerator. It has super new. It still has all the components inside of it. Take a look at that. This is energy efficient. Has the climate zone on the bottom. And then this here is the pantry, and I think it's an optical illusion because there actually is more space in there than what it looks like from this little door. Off of this room, we have this beautiful deck and just gorgeous views of Pikes Peak. They also have a big water feature here on the right. It's a little hard to see from where we are. The deck is all composite. It is newer, and to actually have a covered deck is unusual too. The pond is part of the property, and the water is recirculated in there, and you can actually go fishing. It is a stocked pond, and they have some way to aerate the water, and it's all lined as well. So we'll step on through here. This is the sunroom, and it is so beautiful. Look at all these windows, floor to ceiling windows all around. Gives you a great view of the pond, a great view of Pikes Peak, and an equally great view of your horses. So we hear that a lot from people that have horses. They want to be able to see them from their house. And here you have the opportunity to see the horses right from your house. If we look out this window here, get a better view of the barn. It also has a second story, and there's a beautiful balcony, Juliet balcony, if you will, that overlooks Pikes Peak. So this property is almost 12 acres. It does back to a really large parcel that is not currently built upon, and it is part of another giant parcel nearby. So we have all these level or blinds here. They're all pulled up so that we can look at the view, but just know that those are there. But we'll come There's more than one way to get into the master, but this way is kind of easy, and this room is off the master. You can close this door and then use the French doors here. That closes well for the master. So it's flex space, which is what everyone's looking for these days. If you're an empty nester and you want to wake up, have a beautiful place for breakfast, coffee in the morning, and this is it. All right, let's take a look at this master bedroom. It is quite lovely. We have beautifully finished floors. You have your ceiling fan. There's another one of those fire suppression systems there. And this is a king-size bed, so there's plenty of room in here for a king-size bed and oversized nightstands as well. The master bath is marble, and it has some new fixtures in it. Nice big linen closet here. A ginormous closet. And then this here is the toilet and the shower. The nice frameless shower door. Probably a good place to pause it. So, as I mentioned, there is a second access area to the master. We've got French doors here. These are off the main living area. If you walk down this way, this is the private quarters, although this is the guest bathroom here. Nice slab granite in there. Another bedroom with a wide open entry to it, and if we walk through here, you can actually see the front of the property with the circular driveway and the beautiful water feature. This has its own ensuite. Again, we have slab granite in here. It's been recently updated. And then if you come on back this way, there's a final bedroom that shares this bathroom and the laundry room. Another gorgeous view with great big windows. Come over here and check out this closet too. It's a very nice closet. The laundry room has recently been updated as well. And there is an alarm system and a doggy door for your favorite furry friends. Let's take a peek in the garage and we can finish up this floor. We'll just barely peek in there because this property is so new to the market that we are still working on getting all the stuff out of it. So please give us some grace on that. Really nice closet to have right off of your garage. All right, let's take a look downstairs. I saved my favorite part for last. This is the beautiful walkout basement, complete with everything you can need to entertain and just enjoy the inside out and the outside in. So let's take a look around this beautiful wet bar. The granite has the exposed edges on it, which are really nice. They're not sharp or anything, but they're really lovely. We have basically a full kitchen here with a full-size refrigerator, microwave, oven, stove, and dishwasher. Got your foosball table, your game table, and through the stone threshold is a nice little wine tasting nook. Just waiting for all of your wine racks. So this is our kitchen. We've got this really pretty backsplash here. And let's go take a look over at the pool table. There's also built-in speakers in here. You can see those up in the ceiling when we pan up in a moment. The hot tub outside is pretty ready to go. I think you can see that through the window. It is a very windy day today. I think we have a storm coming in. That'll be a great time to hop into that hot tub. Right beyond here is the water feature that comes through the yard, and it has a pool where these cattails are. And it's all pavers outside. Let's go take a look. This floor mirrors the upstairs pretty well in that we have another beautiful sunroom here. And it absolutely makes you feel like you are right outside. Back here we have 3 bedrooms, although 2 are non-conforming. We have this built-in safe, and yes, if you buy it, we will give you the code. In here is our only conforming bedroom down here, and what that means is it does have a closet and it has a window. There's a look into the closet, which is also partly the back of the safe. There is a shared bath here with a shower and a tub. Moving on, we have another, really it's a bonus room, but it does have a closet. A quite big closet. So it could be an office, it could be a quilting room. I know that my quilter ladies out there don't like the sun beating on their quilts. Lots of options for this room with these great big double doors. You could get your long arm in here real easily. This is the third of the rooms with closets down here. This one's closet is even bigger than the last. I'll let you take a look at that. And it looks like we are doing some work on this electrical panel, but look in here, this is an extra little bonus secret storage area, and that is where the electrical panel is. We have the actual panel sitting here as well. One last room to show you, and that is our mechanical room. Slash storage room. So as I mentioned, we've got a lot of work that we're doing here on this property. But just know that there is a water filtration system here. In Keene Ranch, all of the homes are required to have a holding tank for the water. So they are on individual wells, and to make sure that that fire suppression system works correctly when you need it, they have these storage tanks to store that water for the fire suppression system. So that is what that is. And that's actually what all of that is. We have our water heater here, and it looks like there are 2 furnaces as well. Yep. There's a humidifier on this furnace and this one, so both have humidifiers. And this upstairs one has an air conditioner. Looks like the other one has an air conditioner too. That's really unusual to have an air conditioner in the basement. That's why I double checked it. But I do see air conditioner connections to both of the furnaces. So that's about it for this house. What do you think? Could this be your new home? Do you think you could fill this up with lots of people? It's a great party house, isn't it? So thanks for watching this video. If this house touches your heart, I would love to show it to you in person. With our COVID restrictions, we are allowed in-person showings. You just have to wear a mask, and so do I. So feel free to reach out and we'll get you in, let you take a look. Make it a great day.